starting out this video by tidying up my art studio. I first am doing this back table right here, and then after I'm done with that, I'll go to the next table. This back table now looks decent. Now it's time to clear off this table, which is in the middle of my art studio. I created some new earrings, and now I just have to put the backings on them. I made these pair of orange starfish earrings for myself. I wore my orange starfish earrings at Ikea, but now I switched it up and I'm wearing these. The main reason that I went to Ikea is to purchase this item right here. This is a stand that I will be putting my iPad on to draw and to listen to music and watch television shows while I am inside of my art studio. My second item that I purchased is this white table. I plan on using my MacBook Pro and my iPad on this main surface. I can also use my iPad back here, but I'll mostly be using it with my MacBook Pro because I needed a sturdy and larger surface than my laptop pillow so that I can comfortably work on my bed or while sitting on a sofa. The third item that I purchased from Ikea is this cute little succulent. It is joining my family of indoor plants. As I was trying to put my small succulent on top of my back table, I accidentally dropped it. Hopefully it will still survive. I'm going to repot it now. The last item that I purchased from Ikea are these. My family needed some more butter knives and teaspoons. When I seen this whole pack together, it's a good thing to get because spoons go missing so quickly in my home. Does that happen to you? Let me know in the comments of this video. I just remembered to tell you that I got my new glasses. They finally came in. They're also clear as well. So I think it may be a good idea if I wear my clear glasses and earrings together. I'm so excited, y'all. Oh my gosh. All right. My glasses are in this little blue case. I purchased these glasses from Walmart just in case you really like this style of frame and you want to check them out. Here they go. When you purchase a pair of frames from this brand, a pair also goes to a child in need. I have to get used to wearing these. I feel like I'm looking through a fishbowl. I'm about to take some photos of me wearing these clear hoop earrings, but before I take the photos, I am going to put on a little bit of makeup. I already washed, toned, and moisturized my skin, so now what I am going to do is work from my eyebrows on down. I'm just going to use this little henna wand. It's supposed to make the eyebrows look a little thicker. I think my eyebrows look a little thicker now. So now I'm about to do my eyelashes. I am using this mascara from Revlon. I am going for a minimal look. Next, what I am going to do is put on some lip gloss. It is nice to put on some lip gloss every once in a while, especially since I have to wear a face mask almost everywhere. I only put a little bit on as usual. You know, I don't really do too much makeup. Here are a few of the photos. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Keiota Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.